Hi guys, welcome to my channel Beauty Made Easy. In this video, I'll be telling you 5 approved and working ways to darken your mehendi, which will turn orangish mehendi to dark reddish brown. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. But before that, do subscribe to my channel to get updated on all my 100% natural home remedies. Subscription is absolutely free. Before applying mehendi, clean your palm and hands thoroughly with water. Pat it dry. Apply 2 to 3 drops of eucalyptus oil on the body parts where you want to apply mehendi. This eucalyptus oil helps to release more stain when mehendi is applied over it, which will make the mehendi turn reddish brown. After you have applied mehendi, when it is 70% dried, make a mixture of lemon juice and sugar in equal quantities. Dab this onto the applied mehendi every 30 minutes. The sugar keeps the mehendi in contact with the skin for deeper penetration, while the lemon juice acts as a catalyst for dye release and deep penetration of color. When mehendi is fully dried out, remove it with the help of some pickle oil. Apply pickle oil and gently scrape off the mehendi flakes. Do not wash your hands for removing mehendi. When the mehendi is scraped off finally, apply a layer of thick coconut oil. Let the oil sit on for 3 to 4 hours. Make sure there is no water contact with the mehendi applied area for at least 6 hours. Always make sure that you keep your mehendi for at least 7 to 8 hours before removing it. Meanwhile, in the 7 to 8 hours, ensure that you do all the tips mentioned before. Now here are some don'ts you should not be doing while applying mehendi. Do not shave or wax your hands or legs after applying mehendi. Doing this will scrape off the upper layer of the mehendi. Let the mehendi dry naturally. Do not use blow dryer to dry your mehendi quickly. Always remember, natural way is the best. If you have special occasions, apply mehendi 2 days before the event to get maximum color out of it. Do not use water and soap to remove mehendi. Always use pickle oil or coconut oil to scrape off the mehendi. Using soap water will discourage the color development in the mehendi. Do not apply too much of lemon sugar syrup. This will spoil the design. It is advisable to dab the solution once in every 30 minutes. These tips will work on any body part to make your mehendi dark reddish brown. So that's it for this video. Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.